we die. We're about to go on TV. It's going to be horrible. But we will do it, okay? If we die trying, Ems is scared of the zombies that are apparently out there. I think Lizzie's about to crack.
Is it working?
Yes, it is.
Oh god, yes.
How are you today?
I'm not fine.
Why?
I should be in my bed. On my blog. I have a blog to run.
Okay. Chloe, how are you today?
I'm great.
And Felicity, how are you?
Not very good. I'm so sad.
Claire, say hi.
Help!
We're at Rob Roy's grave, aren't we?
Zombies!
Let's go see Neve. She's just there. Emma. Lizzie.
Hello.
And Helen.
Hello.
Meanwhile,
all that I have is all that you've given me.
day 2.
Hey, how did you sleep? Where are you?
It was alright. I mean, it was rubbish.
Neve. Do you want to say anything?
I hate nature.
Aw.
Why are we outside if we spent like past thousands of years trying to perfect the inside?
You just quoted Sheldon Cooper.
Yes, I did.
I love you, Neve. Did you sleep well, Chloe?
Yeah, I slept okay actually.
Are you looking forward to today?
Not really.
Why?
I'm trying to kill all the midges right now. Can I get
Emma, where are you?
here?
There. Hey.
Guys!
Oh.
I hope I'm recording. Mind you, Helen's viewfinder's locked up so I can't actually see what I'm filming. Cows. Hello cows, how are you doing today? Hello. Oh god, I think those two just attacked each other.
Hey guys!
Hi.
Hey. Hey guys, hey.
So we're on our way back now. It's covered by
Which is pretty good, so we're almost done and we are almost... Yeah, I'm not buying you anything. Oh, okay, that's good then. Well guys, look at the view. We're pretty good, I think. Hey, it's Scott. Hi, Scott. Yeah, and we're right next to the motorway. Civilization, that's right, we have found civilization. Anyone got anything to say?
Helen must be filming it.
Lizzie,
Helen sucks.
Oh, okay, Lizzie, that's kind of... Flowers. Ems, have you got anything to say? Ems, got anything to say? Okay, Chloe, Claire?
Hey, get off my stuff.
Yay, we made it! We made it! Okay, wait.
We have our room. It's all good.
Helen's toe is really sore. Neve, how do you feel about finishing?
I'm glad, okay.
Just for the record, we finished at we finished at like 12:10.
Yeah, earlier than everyone else because we're champions. I've got one round my neck.
The champions, my friend.
Do do do. And we'll keep on fighting to the end.
Looking at me. Look at that, look at how they're looking at me. Eyes all sticking like honey on bees.
Yeah,
Look at that, look at how they're looking at me.
DC chillin', PG chillin'. My name Wale and I came to get it. My name Wale. Shit, sight start off 09, kicking in the door and I'm everybody problem. Something to some other Jordan 9s. I got Phil Knight talking about, hey, you got them. Let's talk about the cars y'all got. You say you got a lot of whips, well I got a lot. I got the right to be cocky. Get so much good, this jockeys jock me.